A question I hear often is, hey, I got hurt at work. Instead of going to one of those workers' comp doctors, can't I just go to my personal physician? Well, that might make sense, but common sense is not something you find much of in workers' compensation. There's a number of reasons that you can't treat with your personal physician. The reality is 9 times out of 10, probably more than that, it's simply not going to happen. Most of the time, your personal physician will not be in the insurance company's medical provider network. The MPNs are set up to have lists of doctors who practice workers' compensation or handle workers' compensation cases. Your treating doctor, your personal physician, I should say, probably is not in there because most personal physicians just don't do workers' comp. What if it's one of those rare situations where the insurance company doesn't have a medical provider network? Then you can pick any doctor that you want. What happens generally there is that even though you can name your personal physician, chances are, is not going to accept your workers' comp case. They just don't want to treat you for the workers' comp system because of the requirements. They have to fill out a PR2, a PR4. They have to fill out requests for authorization. There's timelines for everything. Even if they get their requests approved, then they're going to get paid as part of the workers' comp system. It's a pain in the neck. Most personal physicians simply will not do it. So 9 times out of 10 or more, if you get hurt at work, you are going to be treating with a workers' compensation doctor. You can still keep your personal physician, keep seeing Dr. Jones or whoever it is that you've seen for the last 15 years, but that doctor's only going to treat your non-industrial conditions, and then you'll have another treating doctor for your workers' comp case. Now, there are some rare exceptions if you pre-designated. So, before your injury ever took place, you named your treating doctor as your personal physician. Your personal physician agrees to act as your primary treating physician in the workers' comp case. You might be able to still see your personal physician for your workers' comp case. But realistically, if you're watching this video, you don't have an attorney, you haven't pre-designated your personal physician. And even if you did pre-designate, chances are once you show up at your doctor, knock on the door, your personal doctor is going to say, no, not doing workers' comp. Go find a workers' comp doctor. I'll gladly keep seeing you for your other issues. It's the bottom line. It might make sense. Your personal doctor knows you and your conditions, but he or she is not going to handle your workers' comp case. It's just the way it is. If you found this video helpful, even if you don't like the answers, hit the like button down below and make sure to subscribe so you know when new videos come out.